Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DOLV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past several days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I've done this analysis quite a few times. That's where these red and green lines are coming from. And the last time I did the video, I pretty much said, I'm not going to do this anymore until something happens, because the price was stuck in between this channel here. And then I defined, what quote unquote something happens represented. And that happened today, actually. The price got a breakdown to the downside. However, the bulls showed up where you really would want to see them show up. So, yeah, the bears won the day, but kind of as a little hidden bonus prize, the bulls did show signs of strength, like I said, where you would want to see them, and that all revolves around the pink line right there, the 200 period simple moving average. Sure, the price did temporarily break down below that orange, that green line right there, but surprise, surprise, look right where the bulls found some support, right in the vicinity and range of that pink line there, 200 period moving average. Now, even if you just have a surface deep understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200 period, and you know that when the price is above it, from a bullish perspective, you want to see the price stay above it, because that implies that the long-term overall trend is bullish. So very important that the price held above it. And again, just to beat that dead horse one more time, good to see that the bulls did show up and show signs of strength at that area and point in time. So right now it's kind of like a double whammy. You have the bottom portion of the channel trying to offer support. You have the 200 period, acting as support. So the bears are really going to have to bring their A game if they're going to be able to push down through the downside, because right now the bulls have quite a few things in their favor, and so far, they are, enough in their favor to be able to support the price. Now, in the event the price does start to push to the downside of that pink line right there, next level of support to keep an eye on, right here at, what is that, 0.048. So 0.048, next level of support in the event the price can no longer maintain that pink line. But so far, so good. Bulls are doing a good job of maintaining that. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, yeah, from the grand scheme of things, the overall channel still have that area up there at 8 cents. But before we start talking about 8 cents or anything like that, initial area of resistance that the bulls are going to now need to break up above is going to be that purple line there, the 50 period simple moving average. So pretty crazy day. At one point, looking kind of shaky with the price breaking to the downside of the channel, but the bulls did a good job of fighting back, thanks to that 200 period simple moving average. So still 2 days left this week. We'll see if the bulls can try to fight back upwards and get more so inside the channel. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.